So, did you get your hair braided and your weeks have passed and you're full of dandruff and your hair and scalp, your scalp is really itchy? Well, you are at the right place. Well, today I'm going to show you how I do my homemade braid spray that helps me soothe my scalp and help minimize the itchiness. So, basically, all you're going to need is water, filtered water, because we know water is moisturizing, so it will moisturize your hair. And I go ahead and use a leave-in just to help with the moisture. And then you guys can use any oils of any oil of your choice. I decided to use grapeseed oil. Well, then again, grapeseed oil is good because it helps, number one, it helps combat dandruff, and it's a natural moisturizer for scalp and hair. So if you have braids and it's really itchy, it's pretty good. It will be a good option to use. And then coconut oil, it just deeply conditions the hair from inside out, and it also eliminates dandruff, which is good. And avocado oil, it just penetrates the hair and smooths the hair cuticles, and it also it's high in protein. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So after done mixing all these oils, I shake it up and it's ready to be used. Look how easy it is. So use it up. And then another thing, before, I would recommend you to get a towel or something, because sometimes it tends to be messy and all the water will be dripping all over your face. So it's nice to take a protect yourself from water. And then another thing, when you're using the spray, you should moisturize throughout the length of your hair. Wherever your hair stops, that's where you should be moisturizing. And yeah, it's pretty much it. It's really easy, and I hope you guys have found this video useful. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Thank you.